Video, the harder it is to send.
I'm ready.
Today is June 27th. This is Greg with Aspen Contracting. We are doing our second attempt to do a repair on Yolanda Townsend's house. The first video, we manipulated the shingles a little bit past 90 degrees, so we're going to do it as requested by Alexis with Allstate. So right here we have a couple of wind-blown shingles, so we're going to attempt to repair this shingle right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just identify the tabs on this particular shingle, gently unseal this one, so we can get to the nails. It's going to be this. One, two, three tab. I'm going to move my pitch hopper over a little bit so I can be in the center. Okay. First thing we're going to do is just try to release these nails. Get these unsealed so we can get to the nails. Pop this off. There's a nail right here. There's a nail right here. There's a nail right here. And there's a nail right here. Okay. Let's see if it slides out. So we need to probably come back up a little bit further. There's some additional nail. Try not to lift these shingles too much until it's time to hammer the few nails in. Nail up here that we'll have to reattach. Alright, here's the old shingle. the shingle, please. First thing you need to do, I need to get up here. Where the other nail was. See if it slides in. Another nail. Get it into position so it's level. Okay. All right, so we got it into position now, so we're going to try to apply some nails. I'm going to lift this up so I can get it on the nail. I've got to hold it. I'm going to put my foot here just so I can try to get a nail in here. Granules are coming off right here. We're going to have to lift this one up to right about here. We need to put a nail back up here. right here where the old nail was. If you want to look right here, there was where the nail came out from before, so I'm going to put a nail on either side of that. As you can see, I'm not lifting the shingle past 90 degrees. Which is difficult because it's hard to get the hammer in there. So that's 2 damaged shingles or tabs so far. Now we got to nail in the actual replacement shingle. There's one more over here to the left. Make sure I got enough nails. All right. All right, so it's less than 90 degrees. See where it's creasing? It's losing granules, creasing. Did not lift it more than that much. Every time we lift it, it gets worse. So, one more nail over here. I have another nail. Actually, that's it. So we got one nail here, one nail here, one nail there. This was not present before. This was not present before. We did not lift it past that amount. You see right here, if you come down and below the shingle, it is torn just from attempting the repair.